Week 1, lesson 6. All right, so directions here say I should draw vector A and vector B. So let me grab a pen and do that. I'm going to start A right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's vector A. Again, order really, or the direction really does make a difference. Vector B, let's see, I'll start it here. And it goes left 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1. Vector B. Okay, so now that I know what A and B look like, let us show what the sum of A and B looks like. Okay, in other words, it's asking us to add A and B. So I'm going to draw A. At its head, I'm going to put the tail of B and see what our result ends up looking like. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's A. And that is the crookedest vector ever. I apologize. Let's see if I can get that to be a little bit straighter. Okay, that's a little better. And then B, starting at that point, up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's B. All right, so then my resultant vector would be this, which, if I had to name it, would be negative I, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 5j. All right, now over here in the margin, I'm going to do this algebraically. Algebraic. There we go. All right, so if I just wanted to add A and B, right, A is 3I minus 6j. And B is negative 4I plus j. And you've done plenty of algebra, definitely enough to know that if you combine these like terms, you get negative I. And if you combine these like terms, you get negative 5j. Are we surprised that those are the same? No, we're not. It's math. It's logical. So let's move this up. Oh, whoa. I didn't even know I could move that. Whoa. Okay, I just learned something. What the heck? Why is that not locking on? Okay, I don't know how to fix that, you guys. Oh, maybe there. Sorry, I know there's a bunch of things you can't see, but nope, that's not working either. Okay, how about this? You get to listen to me acting a fool because I can't get rid of this. Well, I just got rid of the wrong thing. This won't go away. All right, well, anyway, moving up. This is the most frustrating one ever. And you know what I'm going to do? This is going to be the last video that I make today. That's the problem, is that I've made 7 different videos today. And so I'm tired and making mistakes. But you get to listen to it anyway. All right, so vector A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vector A, one more time. This time I am subtracting B, or in other words, I'm adding the opposite of B. So if it used to go to the left 4, it's now going to go to the right 4. 2, 3, 4. And if it used to go up 1, it's now going to go down 1. All right, which means this red vector should be my result. That should be A minus B. So let me see if I can count this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like it is 7I minus 7j. All right, now let's do this algebraically. So it's 3I minus 6j, and we are subtracting the whole other vector. The parentheses are really important because of distributing. All right, so let's see, 3I minus 6j plus 4I minus j. And if I combine my like terms, 7I minus 7j. Surprised? Oh, nope, not at all. All right, moving this up. See, that time it moved. Okay, I don't know what I did, but that's okay. All right, so two A's, which means I need to draw A and then A again. So I'm going to start way up here at the top. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so if I draw this in, that's A, that makes 2A. And then instead of subtracting 3 B's, all right, well, it's not really subtracting 3 B's. What it is, it's adding negative B 3 times. All right, and I know from the last problem what negative B looks like. So that means I need to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1. So there's negative b, negative b, negative b. Whew, okay. So again, I wish my straight edge worked on my iPad, but it doesn't seem to. So I'm going to freehand this, and I apologize. I can guarantee it's not going to come out nice. Okay, I lied. That's actually pretty darn good. All right, so now let's do this algebraically. 2 times a minus 3 times the b. And then let's just do the algebra. Distributing 6i minus 12j plus 12i minus 3j. Combining some like terms, this looks like 18i minus 15j. All right, let's actually count that out because it was too much to count before, but let's see. Starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and down 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Look at that. Exactly the same. All right, and then the very last example here, this 1/3 a. Let me go ahead and draw a again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I was going to divide that into 3 equal parts, right, that's what multiplying by 1/3 is. You can see that I would have one little piece there, one little piece there, and the final piece there. So that looks like my result is a vector entitled I minus 2j. Algebraically, oh, that's horrible. Algebraically, 3i minus 6j. If I distribute, you can see that you get I minus 2j. Again, the same.